Okay, so now we're going to go and we're going to add in the Eventide time factor, which is the blue box, and the pitch factor, which is the red box. And these boxes are a little bit more complicated than the lexicon we just did, but it's the same principle. And I have the blue box, which is the time factor, on MIDI channel 4, and I have the pitch factor, which is on MIDI channel 3. And so we need to have the RS10 talk to these pedals. And the way it's patched is you have a MIDI in, MIDI out, and MIDI through, and they use special MIDI cables, 5-pin MIDI cable, which is pretty standard you can find. But and so let's begin on that. All right, so we went over. We're gonna go bank down, bank up. We got PC1. So I want number 3 for the pitch factor. Then we hit the channel, which is MIDI channel 3. Controller should say the same. And we hit program. And so now we have 1.1 blinking, and so now it's on MIDI channel 3 for the time factor, and I want preset 1. So we go to 1, the light blinks, we press it, and we're good. So we just programmed bank 1.1 on the Eventide pitch factor, which you can see right there. So we'll just do that again. So we're gonna go down. That brings us back to PS1. Down arrow, up arrow. We want MIDI channel 3. We keep going to program function. That's MIDI channel 2, MIDI channel 3, PS2 channel. Make sure that's on channel 3. If it wasn't, you would just hit the 3 switch and the light would blink and you would hit that. So now we're stored in MIDI channel 3. We come to control. We're good there. We go to program and we flash, and we're gonna come to the Eventide pitch factor, and I'm gonna hit switch 1, and the light blinks, and so you can see that it's gonna talk to the pitch factor. I'm gonna hit the blinking light, which is program, and you can see it talk to it, it activates it, and now we're on 1-1. So now we have that stored, and we go and we just to go over the functions again, hit that bank down button, and we're in PS1 and we're good.